Today we're reviewing a St. Augustine, Florida-based heating and air company we've turned inside and out, providing local residents with a helpful industry review of Powell Heating and Air. The Powell team is amongst the most respected in the HVAC industry, and their company grades out with excellent marks for outstanding customer support, reputable reviews, and testimonials. Do you live in the St. John's County, Ponte, Vedra, St. Augustine, or Palm Coast? Are you in need of heating and air services? Then call Powell today. Learn more about Powell Heating and Air by calling them today or visiting them online. Thanks for watching.